Hiya! No, what the? Okay. Oh my gosh, I have a fish on too. Tons of dragonflies.
Dry down there. What? No, it didn't. What happened?
Oh, here we go. On the board.
Okay, Roman. Oh yeah, kilo 2 pounds, well, 0.2 pounds.
Yep. Good little guy. We found all the dragonflies over here, so I figured there's got to be some action. I was not paying attention to my bait, which is perfect. Let it fall. There we go. Popped right out. Thanks for buying, buddy. See ya.
What'd I say? You're recording, right? Yeah. Oh, it came off. Get down there. Get down there.
The end of this little cut was way further up than I needed it to be, but could still get a fish. Oh yeah. Not a bad one, not a bad one. Not a giant, but not a bad one. Right at the bottom of the lip. Hooked right through the tongue. First, let's see if I can hold it. Yeah, this is a very dangerous game. There we go. Number two. Number two. Little guy. Thanks for biting, buddy. See ya. I crossed you?
No, I'm okay. Why? It like, I don't know. It's not different. You really like it. Pick this. I want to get back in that corner.
Bro, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm like,
How do I get back there? But how do I not cross that tree? That was a good cast.
might be the farthest I get in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it. No way.
Yeah.
Nice. You knew it.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, the corner bass. The corner bass.
Shit.
Bottom, the tongue again.
Roman, every single time he does that, put it in the video.
A montage of us miscasts. This guy's small.
Dude, that'd be awesome. Last time me and Roman went out, bro,
See ya.
I backlashed. Like, dude, you couldn't even see my reel. Why? What the hell, bro? I don't know. I think I'm stuck. Oh, I have a fish. Bro.
You're recording?
Yeah. I don't even know. It's freaking. He's like deformed.
It's so hard for me to do it on this. I can do it on the Baitcast or the spin casters. It's so hard for me to do it. It's not used to it.
Release it a little later. Be more like pointing in front of you.
Man, that should be hard for me.
Okay. You got him. Hey! Yes, sir. Get it out of there. It might be. Come over here, just in case there's like a gate or something in there. Are you recording?
No.
Dang. Am I?
Yes.
All right. I got that. Let's go, buddy. See?
Just
Okay.
a graph.
Sir. Show them off.
It's cute.
The sirskis. Oh, there we go. Could tell this guy was like 2 inches big. Little guy. See you, buddy. No.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Finally got you. Like, jeez, bro.
Oh, I gotta wait. Hope I'm recording. Find out. Twitch it a lot on top of the water. Little top water bite. Little basisi. Cute little guy. On Allie's dad's bait. Water's back. Full release. Oh, got it. Need some bend in the rod, baby. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, bottom of the lip again. That's my.
It's a good fish.
You walk.
Noah's on too. Double up, baby.
not as good, but it's a fish.
I'm coming in over here.
Go for it, Allie. What do you think this weighs, Noah?
Probably just under 2.
It was 235, surprisingly.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I guess he's got a little belly to him. 235. The release is definitely better. See ya, dude. A little double up. A little double up. Yes, sir.
Oh, see you, buddy.
Cast up the current, let it drift down. Don't worry, it's still over there. I think I'm getting bites. I think I have a fish on. Hi-ya! No, what the? Oh my gosh, it might be big. On this? Oh my gosh, I can't move it. I'm so scared. Are you recording?
Yeah.
No, don't break me off. It could be a turtle. Watch it not be big. It's gonna be like a pound.
Oh! Oh my
Get
God!
it! Get it! Get him! No, not the water. Not the water. A chunk.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, okay. Not the 5-pounder, but
He's good, bro.
that's a good little fishy.
Nice.
It's probably 3, maybe 4, but probably 3.
Probably 3.
I don't feel like weighing them because it's all the way over there. I was on your rod, Allie. I told you the barometric pressure.
Your fish?
Alright, so did we get blue side or black side?
Black side.
Black side. Alright, what do they say? Once you go black, you never go back.
Oh no, it suck if your GoPro fell in the river.
The river.
It's a lake.
This is a lake.
According to my calculations, this is a lake.
You'd be going swimming for that one, boy. There is a phone somewhere over there. I saw a kid drop his phone in the water.
There's
One
a
time.
wait. Are you recording?
No.
I can just cut it out.
There's a bait laying down in the grass.
I remember that.
No, I was here
We gotta
one
cut
time.
that out, guys. We gotta cut that out. That's bad.
I was here one time and this
Cut what
kid
out?
was on his phone at the dock and he literally just dropped it.
That's crazy.
I would cry. I would have a good
Suck to suck.
Such stuff. Please don't cry.
And he's on.
I did not have it.
Nope.
Camera angle for it, though.
You're good, you're good. Oh my gosh, I have a fish on too. Unless I'm on you. Nope. Go around me. Fish though. Oh my gosh. Oh!
That is
Oh my
easily
gosh.
6 or more.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Here, go get the scale so we don't keep him out the water too long. Get it? Yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh, Noah. Bucket mouth. Alright, let's go quick because
I'm
for some
recording.
reason Noah's fish likes
I
to
am.
croak.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
There's definitely gonna be a quack in that one. You got it?
Yeah, I
Right?
got it.
Okay.
I got it. We're like 5:30. Let go. No way. It's not even 5. Wait, hold my fingers. 5:22.
That might be the same fish, bro.
That's a monster.
Hold on. Someone want to get a picture?
Got him. Ooh.
Yep.
Oh. Look at, he's got a scar on the side. That might be from our line.
How's he looking at? Good?
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
You good?
Trying to find
There's
a
that
spot.
hole probably right there is your best bet right there.
Dude. Thank you, bro. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a monster. Thank God. Behemoth, Noah.
Dude.
Behemoth.
He's chilling too.
No, he's good. He was out the water for 30 seconds.
Let's go. Ah.